Français sont évidemment un peu plus sensibles à cet événement. Ils essayent de constater.
Est-ce que tu y es?
Si tu veux, en termes d'une histoire.
Realistic for certain parts of the building, particularly the roof. The roof structure is made of wood. It's timbers. That can be reconstructed probably even in less than 5 years. I think before anything can happen, though, they still have to make sure everything is stable and that it's safe even to go in there and start moving around the place. The biggest vulnerability is fire. And I suspect, my guess is that there was some mistake or some accident up in the attic when they were doing the restoration work. And that you're talking about a lot of dried wood. It will go up very quickly, so it doesn't take much to start a fire. In a city, you don't see this happening except out where they're fighting forest fires. I mean, to fly over and dump water would not be at all feasible, and it would endanger the structure. You could have collapse.